Did you know that hepatitis B and C are leading causes of liver cancer worldwide? Today, we dive into how these viruses can silently damage your liver over time. Let's start with the basics. Hepatitis B and C are viral infections that primarily affect the liver, leading to chronic inflammation over time. Persistent liver injury from these viruses triggers a regenerative response. Over years, this can lead to cirrhosis, where normal liver tissue is replaced with scar tissue. The constant damage and regeneration put hepatocytes under stress. This repeated cycle increases the risk of mutations, which can lead to the formation of liver cancer. Globally, hepatitis B and C are significant public health issues. In the U.S., up to 150,000 people in the next decade could die from liver disease or cancer due to these infections. It's critical for those at risk to get tested and vaccinated. Early detection can prevent progression to severe conditions like cirrhosis or hepatocellular carcinoma. Understanding the link between hepatitis B and C and liver cancer highlights the importance of preventive measures. Stay informed and proactive about your liver health. What steps will you take to protect yourself from hepatitis-related liver conditions? Share in the comments below.